Hey y'all, come on in for some deep thoughts on Overeaters Anonymous. Yes, I am a member of Overeaters Anonymous. I am a sugar addict and a compulsive sugar eater. I have been for as long as I can remember. One of my earliest memories was I was probably about 6 years old, taking a nap with my mom and sister, and I woke up, decided I wanted to go get some ice cream. So I got on my bike, took my mom's purse. It drug along the ground as I rode about a mile to go get ice cream. Now this is in Mobile, Alabama, so lots of people started rolling down their windows saying, "Honey, where's your mom? Sweetie, where you going?" I just finally turned around because so many people were wondering what I was doing as a 6-year-old out on this busy road. And as I was making my way back to the house, my mom found me and I was in big trouble. So how I stumbled across Overeaters Anonymous, my mom had died of the widowmaker heart attack at a young age, and I knew that I eat healthy, but I've always had this battle with sugar, and I hate the battle. It's always there. And so I thought, well, maybe I'll go to Alcoholics Anonymous and just change out the word alcohol for sugar. As I was looking for Alcoholics Anonymous meetings, I happened to stumble across Overeaters Anonymous, and I started to attend. Overeaters Anonymous is for anyone using food as a way to cope with life and handle emotions, whether you're happy, sad, depressed, anxious, and not just using food as a way to nourish our body. At any given meeting, you might have someone that identifies as bulimic, that identifies as anorexic, a compulsive binger, a binger and a purger, a sugar addict like myself, a compulsive sugar eater. Many people might look at me and think, I don't get it, you're skinny per American standards. But it doesn't mean it's not a battle inside of my mind every day to eat healthy, good foods for my body and to say no to those things that are not healthy and nourishing to my body. Another story. I was either pregnant or breastfeeding, I can't remember which, but either way, I was starving all the time. And we had made some brownies that night, and I was just eating and eating and eating the brownies, and I decided to put the brownies in the trash so that I wouldn't go back and eat anymore. In the middle of the night, I went back and ate the brownies in the trash. That is how much of a sugar addict I am. Maybe you've seen all of my salad posts and okra and thought, oh, it must just be easy for her. She must just love eating fruits and vegetables, which I do, I really do. I've learned to grow to love them, but it's still a battle for me too. So know that you're not alone in this journey. And as far as resources go, they use the Alcoholics Anonymous book. There is an Overeaters Anonymous book. There's a workbook that goes with it. I love the podcast Overeaters Anonymous Convention Speakers. It's on the Apple platform. I wish my mom would have known about Overeaters Anonymous too, because she wanted to eat better, but always struggled. And I know that's where so many of us are. We want to do better. I want to not crave sugar. I still crave sugar. I have to fight it every day. I fight the battle. I hope that hearing and learning about Overeaters Anonymous is encouraging to you, and maybe consider going to a meeting yourself, whether online or in person. They're a great group of people, all wanting to pursue being healthier mentally, physically, emotionally.